Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, November the 2nd. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So today we are looking at the chart of Meta. This is a 45 minutes chart. Has been very weak lately. And let's see what we got. We got a bearish sequence. We got right side down. So what that means is we do not like the long side, right? When you see bearish sequence and right side red tag, that means we are bearish, right? We are bearish. That means if there is any rally, actually that will be sellable, something that we like the short side, right? So here for Meta, we are looking for this wave 2 rally here, which should be in the 3 waves, okay? And the 3 waves rally should fail for the downside. Now obviously the rally can be in many different forms. Like for example, it can be in 3 swings and go down. It can be doing a double zigzag. This could be ending W and then X and then another 3 swings up like this before going down. So the bottom line is this level here. As long as we stay below 142, we are looking for the downside. The exact structure of the rally can be in 3 swing or in 7 swing. This can even become 1 2 3 4 5 ending A, right? It could be 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So showing you a couple of different possibilities. Can be 5 ways up ending A, B, C, where the C is equal to the A, right? Where the C is equal to the A, and then goes down again, right? But we always, when we forecasting the chart, we understand there are multiple paths, but those multiple paths basically have the same conclusion, that as long as we don't break above 142.69, eventually this rally should fail, right? And we always look for the most aggressive count in the direction of the sequence or in the direction of the higher degree trend. So in this case, the higher degree trend is bearish. This is the most aggressive count in the direction of the higher degree trend, which is just a simple 3 waves to fail and goes down again. Okay. Now if I zoom out a little bit to get a context where we are. Now just remember the B placement here. So we are now within the C leg. That means the C leg is in a 5 ways, right? So I'm going to zoom out to the weekly now and then try to place the B and the A. Now we don't see the A here, but we can see it on the weekly. So this is really in the B and the A. I know it's a very like, because we were looking at the 1 hour time frame before. So in the weekly it is just it's a tiny swing here on the weekly time frame, the location of the A and the B. But I'm more interested here to look at the overall view. Now you notice here we've been correcting, massive correction in the Meta here, no doubt about it, right? From like 380 and now 95. Now this cannot be a 5 ways down in my opinion, because what, like, do you really believe it's 5 ways down and then B and the C and goes to negative or goes to 0? It's not going to happen, right? So this has to be corrective if you believe Meta is not going to go to 0 and negative, right? Which is not possible. There's always going to be value for the company. So that means this is a corrective structure. Now if it is a corrective structure, we need to understand corrective is always going to be a 3 swing like this. So we need to be able to identify this leg here, which is the key, right? In a correction, you need to know where this ends and where this ends, so you can project 100% extension on the 3rd leg. Now if you look at this move down, where is that leg here? Where are you gonna pick this leg? The sort of the middle of the move, right? Because this is the 1st leg, this is the 3rd leg, so this is in the middle. So if you look at this, I would say the middle is going to be somewhere here. So this is what I'm proposing, what the Meta is doing. So if I project extension from the peak to this 1st leg, right, and then project it from the 2nd leg, starting from the 2nd leg. Now I know even this projection is extreme. It's 37, right? That is big. Like 37 is like 50% lower from where we are, right? So when things are quite extreme like this, it's almost like as if it's going back to the the beginning, right? 2013 when it starts, IPO and stuff. So we do need to be careful because there's a potential to truncate when it is too extreme like this. Whether or not we can go fully to $38 remains to be seen. But for now, though, based on the momentum, it is looking for at least a 5 ways down. If this is the P, we could be extending lowers still, as long as we don't break above 142 here. So the rally should continue to expect for the downside. So I think if we are looking at the shorter cycle, then simply we just look for extension lower from the P here to the 1, and then when the P is finished, we're gonna be projecting the downside, and let's say look at the 100% extension after the rally is complete. Okay, so that's the idea here for the meta, right? For the updates on Meta or any other stock, ETF, indices, Forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.